Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special for FIAT 500X 2014 to 2020 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface. The header unit comes with special harness. This special connector for original plug, this canvas box, and this camera input, this audio out and AUX input, left and right. This audio left and right. Okay. And it comes with small speaker and radio antenna. This radio antenna, and this also comes with GPS antenna. Okay, let me show header unit. You can check this home screen. It's Belsee logo, and you can choose time. You can choose other GPS, Navy. You can check. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car header unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose logo. And the FIAT when you back to home, and change logo. Okay, you can change this sim editor. Any color you can adjust. Blue, red. Okay, and let me check the settings. Find the car settings, drum setting, not drum setting, personal setting, LED setting. You can choose this button color with change the gray, change the blue, orange, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, when you back home, all apps are here. You can check this install app, and it's built-in DSP amplifier, Bluetooth, easy connection from Mirrorlink Android Auto, and support Android, and this control original information. This AC information will display. It's decoded by canvas box. Okay, it's built in the Play Store. You can download and install apps from Play Store. It's built in Google Maps. It's vehicle information, speed, and other original information. Okay. Let me check the settings. You can check connect Wi-Fi and support mobile, 4G and 3G hotspot support. Okay, and let me check the storage. You can check total 64 GB. Okay. About machine, you can check MCU variant, CPU octa-core, or CPU RAM 4GB, and CPU PX6 core. Android 9 Pie system. Okay. First, let me introduce Bluetooth. This is the device name and the pin number. Let me open my phone. Open the Bluetooth. Okay. You can click search button to search the device. Connect. Okay. This is pin number 401234. Click OK. Okay, connected. It shows Bluetooth echo. Bluetooth echo. Okay, you can make phone call. Let me connect the speaker on back to test the sound. Okay, there have sound. Touch tone, you can off it on the settings. Okay, when you make a phone call, your phone will show it. Okay, it works stereo. And let me test the Bluetooth stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with Bluetooth. Okay, let me show the music. You can check the apps and this USB. This USB driver. When you connect the USB, from USB 4. DSP amplifier. Okay. And check the video. You can check video is disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Watch video, turn on the watch video. It supports 4K. Send some 4K demo video around the world. Okay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact us. Thank you.